just said I think is so powerful, and I want to make sure everyone is listening to us right now, because in collaborating with him, you've developed apps. And
Yes.
apps stands for acronym,
Yes,
principles,
Yes.
pictures, and stories.
that is correct.
So can you take us back to a time when the whole thing of acronyms, because the beauty of what you have created in the Kingdom GPS system are acronyms, which are really like memory hooks for people to retain information. So take us back to how the whole acronym journey started with you.
I was in the 5th grade. I will never, ever forget it. And we just couldn't get things to stick in our minds to be able to remember it for the test. So they gave us an acronym called HOMES, H-O-M-E-S. And they said, we want you to remember the 5 Great Lakes that we have in this country. And so the first one is, for the H, is Lake Huron. The second one is Lake Ontario. The next one was Lake Michigan. The next one was Lake Erie. And the last one was Lake Superior. That is over 55 years ago that I actually remember that. And so mnemonics play a tremendous part in helping you to remember things. I want people to be able to take this course and remember key principles, because principles is what will help you in this life.